Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Tomorrow's Nifty trading session is going to be extremely crucial because the price has closed very close to our key support zones, and the market structure is hinting at possible volatility. In today's pre-market analysis, we'll break down the exact support and resistance levels, the expected market direction for tomorrow, and how you can position yourself smartly at the open. So make sure you watch the full video. Nifty closing summary. Nifty closed at 25,943, down about 108 points, showing mild negative sentiment. The market moved sharply down from R1 during today's session and is now sitting just above the first major support zone. This gives us a very clean structure for tomorrow. Key resistance levels. Let's start with the resistance levels for tomorrow. R1, 26,030. R2, 26,110. R3, 26,168. R4, 26,226. R5, 26,284. R6, 26,342. These resistances are very important because today Nifty tried to push upward near R1 but failed. For tomorrow, any gap up opening near 26,000 to 26,050 immediately brings R1 into focus, and the market may react sharply there. If Nifty sustains above 26,110, then only bullish momentum can pick up. Key support levels. Now let's talk about the supports, which are extremely important because Nifty closed right near them. S1, 25,880. S2, 25,790. S3, 25,720. S4, 25,620. S5, 25,520. S6, 25,462. Since today's close is 25,943, we are literally sitting just above S1, 25,880. If the market opens flat or slightly negative tomorrow, S1 will be tested very quickly. A breakdown below 25,880 can easily take Nifty to 25,790 and then to 25,720. Market direction based on structure. Looking at today's steep fall from R1 all the way down, the immediate sentiment remains flat to negative for tomorrow. The structure shows sharp rejection from resistance, closing near support, no strong recovery candles at the end. This means buyers are weak for now. So tomorrow we can expect either 1. Flat to negative opening, testing S1 and S2 too. Small pullback opening, but resistance at R1 will be very strong. Teen. Sideways morning, trending afternoon move. This is a perfect setup for intraday traders. Scenarios for tomorrow. Scenario 1, bearish start, high probability. Opening below 25,950. Quick slide to 25,880, S1. If S1 breaks 25,790 becomes the next target. A break below 25,720 could trigger a 100-150 point fall. Scenario 2, pullback toward resistances, medium probability. Opening near 26,000, 26,030. Immediate selling expected at R1. Only if Nifty holds above 26,110, momentum can shift to bullish. Scenario 3, sideways market, low probability. Stuck between S1 and R1. Good for scalping zones only. Trading plan for tomorrow. If opening is flat to bearish, watch 25,880 carefully. Breakdown sell with 25,790 target. Strict stop loss above 25,950. If opening is flat to bullish, selling pressure expected near 26,030, 26,110. Look for rejection candle to short. If Nifty opens above 26,110, trend reversal possible. Targets, 26,168, 26,226. Conclusion. So tomorrow's session will depend heavily on how Nifty behaves around S1 and R1. The overall sentiment remains flat to negative, but volatility will give great intraday opportunities. Make sure to follow the levels, trade with strict discipline, and avoid overtrading. If you liked this pre-market analysis, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.